Hey, Bolo Buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, in this video, we are going to talk about big money bolos, items to be on the lookout for, items you can hopefully buy low and sell for a profit. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. So this is my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. If you're not in it, definitely come join it. There is a link down under my link tree, and you can click on that and just request to join and come on over and learn about all things reselling. If you would like to share your BOLO, you can do that at the top under the featured section, and I will feature it in a video just like this. So this one comes from AAA Antiques and Collectibles on eBay. He picked this up at a garage sale for $5 and sold it for full price of $265.88. It is an antique 1800s Catholic prayer book. Hungarian Bible is what it says. So he got that for $5. That is fabulous. The next item is this vintage 30 by 23 poster, 1988 Grand Prix Circuit C64 Alcalade, I think is how you say that, Commodore 64. This is a poster. He paid $5 for a sealed box of 14 identical vintage video game posters at a garage sale from 1988. Sold two so far at $95 and $88. This also comes from AAA Antiques and Collectibles. So he still has 14 available. Talk about a nice profit, right? This one here bought a massive knife collection at a garage sale, over 100 knives. So cost of goods was about $3 each. Got full asking price. It is a Muella folding black something handle knife with belt sheath. And he sold it, looks like, for $110 on that right there. The next item are these fuzzy Ugg slippers, and they are clog style, sheepskin, size 10. She got these at, let's see, she sold it on Mercari for $70. And you can see there, that's the fees that Mercari took. Paid $4, and it doesn't say where she got it, but she is Piece of Scrap on YouTube also, so be sure to give her a follow over on YouTube. And she has what sold videos. This is a jumbo Bernese Mountain Dog, huge plush stuffed animal from Costco. It's 60 by 30 by 24. It is a rare and hard to find plush. Got it for free at Honey Hole Thrift Store. This place is the only spot I gatekeep and will continue to do so. Sold for full asking price within 8 hours of listing. And the eBay store is the Better Deal page. Look at this huge stuffed animal. $499. I don't know how they got it free, but they got it free. That is fabulous. Free into 500. I'll take that all day long. Those margins are fabulous. Vintage Vutex Crown Crafts Sheep Reversible Acrylic Throw Blanket. It's a blanket. On a trip to Texas, stopped at the Goodwill bins, spotted this and knew it was vintage. Paid $3 and sold for $125 full price. Lucky Nay Seller is the eBay name. Wow. Never heard of that brand, Crown Crafts. So I don't know if it's the pattern or if it is the brand that made this sell. Anybody have any idea? This is a Champion juicer, the world's finest heavy duty juicer. There it is. Check it out. She said she bought this at a small privately owned thrift store. She tried to buy about a month earlier, but the cashier was hesitant to put a price on it, so had to hope it was there when she came back. It was, and they sold it to her for $20. It sold in a couple weeks for full asking price. It was heavy, she said, but I have a stash of sturdy foam for packing. eBay stores Heather's Stellar Treasure. Sold for $124.99. The next one says, I bought at the Goodwill bins for $1.89 a pound. Vintage metal die-cast dinosaur truck sold within 48 hours for asking price of $59.99. Hard to find Russ Love Pets Racky Raccoon Beanbag Plush. $84. Hi, Courtney. Bought this little Russ Racky, and Racky is its name, from my local Salvation Army for 99 cents. After checking comps and researching, I found out that my little Racky was rare and hard to find. I decided to post Raki high at $84 on Mercari. Raki sold 2 to 3 months later at full asking price, and since Mercari didn't have buyer's fees at the time, I received the full $84 and the buyer paid shipping. Did I mention Raki was 5 inches? Oh my goodness, just a little guy. And this one comes from the Flower Garden. And Steffi Sue 789 on eBay. Wow, 5 inches, guys, $84. This is not a huge money bolo, but I love this one because it's just a little toy that you would probably overlook in most cases. It's a PBS Super Y Flyer Girl red hair plain jet replacement figure cake topper. Yeah, anytime that you get these, cake toppers a good thing. A lot of people look for these to put on cakes for decorations. This little jet plane was a Goodwill outlet pickup. My cost was approximately 10 cents. She was listed on the 13th of March for 25 and sold for a best offer of 20 plus shipping on the 19th. I would have never guessed that she was worth anything. Thank goodness for Google Lens, and she is the Lost Closet 12 on eBay. And if you guys are not using Google Lens or you don't know how to use it, I do have a tutorial that teaches you. It's free to use, and every reseller should be using it, in my opinion. My dog is chewing a bone. Sorry if you guys can hear that. Tenyo Telesphere. It's a vintage magic trick from 1986. Check it out, guys. I'd like to share my first bolo. Vintage Tenyo magic trick 1986 from Japan originally. I bought this. She bought it for her son, it looks like, to play with. But after looking up comps, decided to sell it. Started the auction at 45. Immediately received an offer for 50, kept it on auction, sold for 100 to a magic collector. Positive feedback received. Purchased at the Nashville Goodwill bins and paid around $1. Any day, $1 and 100 is a great day. Nashville Nita on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And you guys, if you're not cross-posting, definitely think about it. I use List Perfectly. I talk about it all the time. I've been using it since 2019. It's fabulous. I do have videos down below that teach you how to use it and some of the different new services that they're offering in addition to the cross-posting, which are great. So check those videos out. And if you decide you want to check out List Perfectly, I do have a referral link. It is down below, and you can use coupon referral code bolobuddies, all one word, to get 30% off your first month. So check it out, see if it's a good fit for you, and that link is down below in the description along with my other referral and affiliate links. Vintage Hewlett Packard HP 41 scientific calculator. Bought at the local thrift store for $5, sold overnight for $160. Yeah, those calculators, definitely look them up, especially if they're like graphing calculators. Some of them go for crazy money. This one is mine. It is a David Yurman 925 silver black braided bracelet. And I sold this. Let me get my notes here. I think I took a best offer. I took a best offer of $240. So probably could have held out for more on this one, but decided to do the quick flip and take the 240. This one is also mine. Bought it in a bulk lot. Rainbow Riders Club 2016. It's a hot air balloon lapel pin. I researched it. I couldn't find anything like it, so I priced it high. Sold it for $46.41. The buyer was all in for $56.08. This one is also mine. I've talked about it before. I got this at the Goodwill bins. It is just a replacement talking lights and sound electronic badge for the Paw Patrol lookout tower. These, I mean, I sold it for $21.25. Probably, paid less than $1 for it by weight at the bins. Not a big money bolo, but maybe something that you would see more often, like at garage sales and the bins, thrift stores, or if you see the big play set. You may not want to sell the big play set because it's so big, but this would be a good thing that you could part out. So definitely be on the lookout, $15 to $25 on this replacement part. The last item I have here for you is the vintage Pleasant Company American Girl doll. I also got her at the Goodwill bins, probably about $5 because it is by weight. I sold her for a best offer of $49 and the buyer paid shipping. You can see here she doesn't have any clothes and she's not in perfect condition. And there it is. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to go over and join the Facebook group and share your big money BOLO under the featured section, and I will feature it in a video like this. And if there's anybody that wants to send me a 30 seconds to a minute video on a BOLO they have in video format, you can send that to me on Facebook or Instagram under BOLO Buddies. Just send me a message and I will put your video into my video, and you guys can promote whatever platforms you sell on and share your BOLO. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.